morning, everyone. It's Second from Forvis Mazars, and a warm hello to many of you that I know so well already. It's that time of year again, and what do we need to look at? Well, we don't need to look at something. We need to stay out of the hairs of SARS when it is looking to collect that extra 400 billion in taxes from tax evasion and non-disclosure, having now beefed up its artificial intelligence and other technical capacities. So, ladies and gents, we need to have a look at our individual return. We need to make sure we understand the consequences of changes to our beneficiaries legislations for our trust. What is another angle to our dear Section 1010 with people working outside South Africa? And ladies and gents, how do I make sure that I've disclosed all the information that SARS is going to be double checking against all the third-party data it has against me? So please join me. Can't wait to share some information with you as we literally make a big focus on staying out of that extra 400 billion that SARS is looking to collect in taxes this year. So join me then and we'll chat about all the relevant issues.